Today I'm going to show you how to add collaborators and team members in Framer. Whether you're working on a design project with your team or bringing in clients to review your work, this process makes collaboration seamless and straightforward. First, open your browser and head over to framer.com. Once you're there, log in to your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects and workspaces are displayed. Now look to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the name of your workspace displayed there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your workspace, including adding new team members and adjusting their permissions. Once you're in the Settings area, navigate to the Invite section. Here, you'll notice that Framer gives you two convenient options for bringing people into your workspace. You can either invite via link or invite via email. Both methods are effective, so choose the one that works best for your workflow. If you prefer the Invite via link option, the process is incredibly simple. Just click on the Copy Link button, and Framer will automatically copy a unique invitation link to your clipboard. You can then paste this link into an email, a Slack message, or any other communication tool and send it directly to the people you want to add as collaborators or team members. They'll be able to click the link and join your workspace instantly. Alternatively, if you want to use the Invite via email method, you have a bit more control over the initial setup. Simply type the email address of the person you want to invite into the provided field. Before sending the invitation, you'll notice that you can adjust their role. Framer allows you to set them as an admin, an editor, or a viewer. Admins have full control over the workspace, editors can create and modify projects, while viewers can only see the work without making changes. Once you've chosen the appropriate role, click Invite to send the invitation. After you've added your team members, it's important to fine-tune their permissions. On the left side of the settings page, click on Permissions. This section is where you can manage detailed settings for your team. Here you can enable or disable workspace invites, set default roles for new workspace members, control who can join the workspace, and determine who has the ability to open projects. These settings give you complete control over how your team interacts with your workspace and ensures that everyone has the right level of access for their role. And that's it. You've successfully added collaborators and team members to your Framer workspace and configured their permissions to match your team's needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.